It has been a few years since Canon released a top-of-the-line cinema camera, and the company is now working on developing 3 full-fledged cinema cameras to compete against other prominent manufacturers. So without further ado, let's discuss what cinema cameras we can expect from Canon this year. As per rumors, there are indications of an upcoming compact cinema mirrorless camera from Canon. This camera is expected to feature an RF mount and an APS-C CMOS sensor. The APS-C sensor size is similar to Super 35, which is a favored choice among videographers, making it a suitable addition to Canon's current cinema camera lineup. The anticipated sensor of this camera is said to be capable of recording 7K footage at 60 frames per second using cinema raw light. Additionally, it will offer other codec options similar to Canon's recently released R7C, such as RAW LT, light, RAW ST, standard, and RAW HQ, or high quality. These codecs provide greater flexibility for production purposes. Moreover, the camera will allow unlimited recording without the previous 30-minute time limit. With the 7K footage, users can expect oversampled 4K output at both 30 and 60 frames per second, resulting in highly detailed footage. Canon Log 3, a popular logarithmic gamma curve, will also be available for the R7C, further enhancing the camera's video capabilities.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Although specific details about other features of the R7C are limited at the moment, the main distinction between this camera and other cinema cameras in the EOS lineup lies in its compact size and sensor choice. Upon release, it will be the smallest Canon camera capable of shooting video at such a high level. Canon has been working on the development of the Canon EOS R7 Cinema version since July 2022. Therefore, the anticipation is high, and whenever the official announcement is made, 2023 is expected to be a significant year for Canon, particularly in the realm of cameras. Well, Canon's recent patent reports show that the development is aiming to address the issues of cable disconnection and tangling, all while reducing the overall size of the camera body. This innovation is specifically designed for cinema cameras, and it is speculated that the unveiling of the EOS C200 II will likely take place in October. The camera will incorporate the advanced Super 35 DGO sensor, which was previously utilized in the EOS C300 II. This sensor is capable of capturing high-quality 4K footage at a maximum frame rate of 120 frames per second. Additionally, it supports various recording options, including Cinema Raw Light, XF-AVC, and MP4 formats. In terms of design, the camera features a modular box design reminiscent of the Panasonic BS-1H camera, along with a full-size HDMI Type-A port. It is equipped with 2 SD-UHS-2 slots and a multi-function hot shoe that can accommodate an external XLR module. The upcoming EOS C700 II cameras will introduce 2 interchangeable sensors, a Super 35 5K global shutter sensor, and a full-frame 8K DGO rolling shutter sensor. Both sensors will feature a direct RF mount, offering compatibility with EF or LPL lenses without requiring the removal of the RF mount. Canon has included 2 new gamma curves in this camera model, Canon Log 4 for HDR production and YDR Cine for capturing cinematic colors directly in camera. In terms of storage, the C700 II will have 2 CF Express Type B slots and 1 SD card slot for media. The camera's overall design will resemble the C300 II, albeit with a larger form factor to accommodate additional I/O terminals. Canon aims to make this camera the most codec-intensive offering in their lineup, with support for internal recording in XF-AVC, ProRes, and Cinema Raw Light formats. External recording of B-RAW and ProRes RAW will also be possible, and Canon has collaborated with a Red digital camera to develop a new module specifically for recording red code. So, are you excited about these upcoming Canon Cinema cameras? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.